How to get the skeleton key in Oblivion Remastered level 10 required. Come to Nocturnal Shrine.
Night among strangers, secrets in the dark, Nocturnal is here. But my eye is blind and drowned, stolen from its shrine and hid in dark waters. To steal from a god is most unwise. In Leowen, two Harmonians think themselves secret, but the eye has seen them. Find these thieves in the city that spans the waters. Learn where they hide my eye. Retrieve the eye of Nocturnal Mortal, and return it to me, and I shall look favorably upon you.
Now run down here and you can skip all the legwork for the quest. Slay everything. Come here on the map. Now return to Nocturnal Shrine.
My eye is returned, and I once again see into the darkness that is your world. We mock the thieves, for bitter is their loss. You, mortal, may take this. It shall open the secrets of dark places for you.
Now you have unlocked the skeleton key.